Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the brilliant benefits of the stone Carnelian, the artist's stone. For those who have watched my videos before, thank you so much for coming back again. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I use those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your daily life. And today, I'm going to be talking to you about 4 primary benefits of the stone Carnelian. This is a brilliant orange stone, and this one is all orange, but it can also incorporate some white, some darker orange. It can be multicolored, like in this bracelet here, you can see it's multicolored carnelian. I'm wearing this orange carnelian, and if you want to work with carnelian some more, I do have these bracelet gemstone sets and pendants in the Etsy store, and that link is in the description below. Carnelian, the artist's stone. This is a gemstone that really celebrates the beauty and the brightness of life. It increases energy and passion and creativity. And the first benefit of carnelian is that it boosts your energy. It is like a cup of coffee in the morning. It really, it stimulates your energy right from the sacral chakra all the way up. So if you find it difficult to get going in the morning, then carnelian is a great stone to either sit with before work or to carry with you while you drive to work. It'll really give you some get up and go and motivation to start the day. Or if you're a little slow going on the weekends, you've got a lot that you want it to do, then hold some carnelian or wear it while you're drinking your morning cup of coffee, and it will really give you that good burst of energy. The second benefit of carnelian is that it transforms negativity into positivity, and it lifts your mood. And yeah, carnelian, it just transforms anything negative nearby into brightness and hope. So if you're feeling low or uninspired, stagnant, pessimistic, then carnelian is a great stone to wear to help transform those negative feelings or just unblock anything that's causing you to feel low. Carnelian is also a great stone to use to cleanse other gemstones. I routinely put carnelian or citrine in a bowl of gemstones that are more sensitive to water, salt, or sunlight, because this is a great gentle way to cleanse them without damaging any other stone. So carnelian is a great mood lifter, shining that positivity and light in your life. The third benefit of carnelian, of course, is for those artists out there, and it enhances creativity. If you are experiencing writer's block, creator's block, then have carnelian with you. Wear carnelian as you're starting projects, or if you want to get new ideas, carnelian is a great stimulant for the artists out there. And I routinely have this by my workspace when I am creating jewelry or when I am writing. I have carnelian with me because it really helps to stimulate new ideas. And if you're feeling a block, then You know, it's useful to just sit with the carnelian in your non-dominant hand and just not force anything. Just try to release any expectations of what you want to do and see what ideas and inspiration rise up for you. Just let it happen naturally. Because I think it's when we force it, when we have expectations, that it really shuts down our creativity altogether. And also, if you'd like to dedicate the outcome, the soul of your creative work to the highest good, then dedicating it with carnelian is also a lovely idea as well. And the fourth benefit of carnelian, much like red jasper, is that it really provides some spark to your love life. So if you've been in a relationship for a while and it's feeling rather stagnant, then wearing carnelian out on date nights, keeping carnelian in your bedroom, like it really stimulates the sparks of desire. It's a really passionate stone. It really wants you to enjoy the brightness and the love and the beauty in life, and that also applies to our intimate life. Like, that brings like joy and love and passion to our life, and carnelian wants us to experience that. So placing grids with like carnelian, red jasper, garnet in your bedroom will really help like get the energy flowing in your bedroom. I mean, carnelian is a stone that is just, it's energetic, it's passionate, it's creative. It really wants you to take time and smell the roses, to notice the beauty around you, to see the hope, to be optimistic. It's just, it's like your most cheerful best friend. And that's why I keep carnelian around a lot. I really enjoy it. And I do have Reiki tumbled carnelian in my Etsy store. And if you're curious as to what Reiki tumbled gemstones are, I'll put a link in the eye above. But I do have this available in my Etsy store if you'd like some carnelian to work with. And also, if you're interested in carnelian, in a couple of days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with carnelian. Now, this is an opportunity to practice working with this if you feel like carnelian is an energy that you want to explore more in your life. You don't need a piece of carnelian to benefit from the meditation, but if anything in this video or that meditation really speaks to you or really triggers you, it's a sign that you should work with this gemstone a little bit more in your daily life and see how it affects you. If you're new to the channel, I review a brand new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post a video on the healing and supporting benefits of that gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation of that gemstone, so that you can have a beautiful guided meditation during the weekend when you're not busy with work. And yeah, if you're interested in exploring gemstones and having a deep dive into their energy, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And I hope to see you during the guided meditation.